video is from Hillsar English Medium School.
Hello friends, in first part of this lesson, we saw the introduction, need of agriculture as well as different agricultural practices we used to do while doing this process, and also enlisted the various agricultural practices. We were talking about the preparation of soil. There we studied the role of earthworm and microorganism in preparing the soil and making enriching it. Let us move ahead. You have learned in the previous classes that soil contains mineral, water, air, and some living organism. In addition, dead plants and animals get decomposed by soil organism in this way. Various minerals, nutrients held in the dead organisms are released back into the soil. These nutrients are again absorbed by plants. We know that this process, what do we call? We call it as biogeochemical cycle, where the different nutrients, mineral, which are present in the plant and animal body after their death, they get add up into the soil. This is how the soil again get enriched with these chemicals. Since only a few centimeters of the top layer of the soil supports plant growth, turning and loosening of soil will bring the enriched soil or the nutrient-rich soil to the top so that the plant can use these nutrients. This turning and loosening of a soil is very important for cultivation of crops because during the turning of soil, the top layer which is exhausted with the nutrients go down and the down layer which is enriched or the more concentration of nutrient is present in that will come up. And this top layer the new top layer which is now enriched with the nutrients gives nutrients to the growing crop. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. So plowing मतलब क्या? जो प्रोसेस जिसमें हम सॉइल को क्या करते हैं, लूज करते हैं और टर्न करते हैं. दिस इज डन बाय यूजिंग प्लाव. Plow are made up of wood or iron. If the soil is very dry, it is need to be watered before the plowing. अगर soil बहुत dry हो तो plowing करने में तकलीफ हो सकती है. So पहले थोड़ा पानी देना होता है खेतों को. The plowed field may have big pieces of soil. बहुत बड़े पीस हो सकते हैं soil के. What do we call that pieces? We call that crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs with the planks. The field is leveled for sowing as well as for irrigation purpose. After plowing, what is the next process? It is leveling. जो soil level में नहीं है, एक level में नहीं है, वो level में लाया जाता है with the help of leveler. The leveling will be done with the help of leveler. I will show you now pictures of this. This picture is of plow. You can observe different parts of the plow: grip, handle, beam, wedge, share, and body of plow. This is a picture of leveler with the help of which after plowing the soil is leveled into one level. Sometimes manure is added to the soil before tilling. This helps in proper mixing of manure with the soil. The soil is watered before sowing so that the manure जो होता है अगर हमने plowing से पहले add कर दिया, so with the help of the plowing turning, the soil get properly mixed with this manure and the quality of soil improves. Let us see here few of the agricultural implements used in plowing the soil. Before sowing the seed, it is necessary to break soil to the size of grains to get better yield. This is done with the help of various tools. Tools means अलग अलग औजारे हमें लगते हैं जिसे हम क्या करते हैं सॉइल के बड़े क्रम्स को ब्रेक करके छोटे छोटे पीस ग्रेन्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. The main tools used for this purpose are plough, hoe and cultivator. Now the first one we'll see in detail, that is plough. Plough. This is being used since ancient times for tilling the soil. बहुत पहले के ज़माने से we are using plough for tilling the soil, adding fertilizers to the crop, removing the weeds, scraping of soil, etc. So these are the different uses of a plough. Not only the tilling the soil, you can use it for adding fertilizer to the crop. वीड्स अगर जो होते हैं उसे निकालने के लिए, सॉइल को स्क्रैप करने के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं. दिस इम्प्लीमेंट इज मेड अप ऑफ वुड and is drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals like horses, camels, etc. For the picture of plough, you can observe the picture given below, figure 1.1. You can see the three main part of the plough, that is beam, plough shaft and plowshare. So plowshare is the part which go deep into the soil. Plough shaft hold the plowshare and the beam is with which it is driven by the bullocks or other animals. So it contains a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. The main part of the plough is a long log of a wood which is called a plough shaft. There is a handle at one end of the shaft. The other end is attached to the beam which is placed on the bull's neck. One pair of bulls and a man can easily operate the plough. The indigenous wooden plough is increasingly being replaced by iron ploughs nowadays. Nowadays, the people or the farmers they are using iron plough because they are much more stronger and good one than the wooden. The next implement is hoe. It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. ये ऐसा इम्प्लीमेंट है जिससे हम क्या करते हैं, सॉइल को और लूज बनाते हैं. एंड व्हाट आर द वीड्स वी हैव इन द फील्ड. वीड्स मतलब क्या, अनवांटेड प्लांट्स. यू कैन रिमूव इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ hoe. It is a long rod of a wood or iron. A strong, broad, and a bent plate of the iron is fixed one of its end and works like a blade. It is pulled by animal. You can see the figure 1.1b. It is given the picture of hoe. This is a simple picture of hoe. You must have seen this in garden implements. Next is cultivator. Nowadays, ploughing is done by tractor-driven cultivator, so that as the machine is used, the works become very faster. The use of cultivator saves labor and time. as जल्दी होता है तो लेबर की भी कमी लगती है और टाइम भी बचता है. फिलहाल तो आपको ये होमवर्क कंप्लीट करना है. आई होप फर्स्ट पार्ट का होमवर्क आपने किया होगा. एंड द नेक्स्ट पार्ट विल सी द सोइंग एंड अदर एग्रीकल्चरल प्रैक्टिसेस.